She stole a smile and my heart responded. She's everything I never knew I wanted. And money won't buy her happiness. Yeah, she's my kind of glamorous. Natural beauty, what it's all about. Tell something to.
So I don't want to overcomb my hair. I'll just find a way to style it. If you get down. Hey guys, I hope you all doing well. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I know I've been away for maybe 3 weeks, but I'm back. Yeah, I took a break and also I had a lot of other things that needed to be done, work and so many other things. Yeah, but I'm back and I want to start this vlog right here. Yeah, so I know I'm untidy, but whoo, yeah, we're going to restore order on this head. First thing first, I want to go to town and want to go to the wax studio, and then later on go to Optica. Yeah, so that's why I'm in a dress. Yeah, because after waxing you need to be free. You don't need anything tight in your body. Yeah, especially in that area. So that's why you always see me in dresses when I'm going to wax. Yeah, so I think this is the second time I'm filming it. Okay, not the process, but telling you I'm going. And whenever I'm telling you, I'm always in a dress. Yeah, so after that, I'll go to Optica. For those who have lenses, if you can see, maybe my lenses are scratched a lot. The tint is scratched a lot, so I need to change them. Yeah, and this frame has served me. This frame is even older than my baby. Yeah, I got this frame back in was it in 2018 or 2019? 2019 maybe. Yeah, that's the match I love. And after every 1 year or 2 years I always go for a frame, so I have like 3 other frames. But I always go back to this frame. It was beautiful. The brand is Enigma. I don't know if you can see. I don't know how to focus this. It was Enigma. See the way imechapa. Weh. Yeah, I have others, but nikinunua hizo, I don't know what I was thinking, because nikivaa I feel like I look awkward. But this one has been my best. So what I've always done is I've always gone and changed my lenses. So when they're worn out, I change the lenses, but the frame itself is done. Imevunjika mpaka I put, which are this side, I put glue here, so it can't bend. This one can, but this one can't. Nikizidisha, if I force it, it is going to break. Yeah, so that's the first thing. That's what I'll do. So if I'll be able to film, guys, today I'm filming for you, Optica and the wax studio. Yeah, and then if I'll have the time, I'll go to the salon, which I highly doubt. Need 12? It's 12:30. It's 12:30. So by the time I get done, because I'm using a mat, guys, I wanted to plug you on something. There's this shampoo. I've been using it for the last 3 months or 4, heading to 4 months. So for those who are my followers, I've been mentioning I've been trying skincare, nini. So yani I buy, never works. So I went to my dermatologist. One time she just said, I need to look at your hair. So nikalala kwa hiyo kitanda. She took lenses, had a look on my head. No, it sounds bad, guys, but what? So after aliangalia akasema, the issue on your face is being caused by dandruffs on your hair. That is dandruff ama mnaitaje. So it was a fungal thing. Yeah, it was a fungal thing. I can't believe it's my hair right now. Haina whitish. Just have a look, guys. Huh? Clean. Na imekaa for 3 weeks now. Yeah, I've just undid my hair right now. So the dermatologist said I have a fungal issue on my hair, which leads to the acne on my face. So even if I did everything, any skin care, ingefanya kazi until ningedeal na the issue on my hair. So that is the first thing. So I can recommend this Keto Plus shampoo. I'm going to turn the camera and show you later vile inaka. So it is how many ml? It is 120 ml. It goes for 1950 shillings. Let's head out. This is the bag for the day. Nimeweka straps haikuwa nazo, so nimeziweka because you know in Tao you must be yeah, hata kama iko na straps I'll also be holding it. Yeah, Nairobi Town. Yeah, so let's head out, guys. Nwele. Can't wait to plate it. Yeah, see you guys.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hey guys, did you know that you can smell good on a budget? Do you wish to own a designer perfume but mfuko inakataa? Worry no more. For those who don't know, there are atomizers for measuring these designer perfumes. For as low as 500 shillings, you can smell good and expensive.
Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat.
Here are the atomizers.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
I would have loved to own a frame that is a designer frame but has clip-ons that can change them to sunglasses. But one thing with the designer frames, as you can see, there are very few selected that have the clip-ons. So I had to choose between owning a designer frame or owning just a regular frame with the clip-ons. Of course, I had to go for the designer ones, which are more beautiful. The more beautiful the frame is, the less the probability of it having a clip-on.
And on we'll go
A day later, my frame suspects were delivered. I can't wait to rock them. So the good thing with Optica, they will deliver to where you are for as long as they have a branch near you. So I didn't have to go back to town. On this day, I had traveled and finally we're making my hair. I had gone to Nakuru for the weekend and traveled back on this same day. You're seeing me. I'm someone who's surviving on like 3 hours or 4 hours of sleep. Look at those eyes. But we had to do the hair on this day. Guys, here is our hair finally. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. So I went for the Spanish on the lower part, and this is knotless, by the way. I did this hair at our local place, just around. You can imagine, just around. I love it. I love the hair. And also I decided to do the Spanish on the lower part only because when I do them on the upper part, they tend to tangle a lot and give me problems. But when it's just on the lower parts, they're easy to manage and maintain. Yeah guys, so what do you think of the hair? Actually, this is like 2 days later. Yeah, of course I opened my spectacles, but let's pretend sijazifungua. But before that, remember the cosmetic shop I was at? I got myself a good perfume, the Now one. Yeah, and I also got, I'm planning to get another one called Confection. Yeah, smelling good on a budget, you might think. But I smell 5,000 shillings or even more. For only 500 shillings, you can smell like a designer person. Okay, yeah. So before we get the moolah to buy the whole bottle, smell good. You can own different ones in this packaging, yeah, or you can buy to sample and then later on decide that that's what you want. Yeah, so I got myself a lip oil that is a Victoria's Black Glow Up lip oil. I love it. That's what I have on. What do you think? It has color, some bit of color. So while at Optica, I got this lens cleaner. So if you have lenses, please try and own this. It is going for 250 shillings only to clean your lenses. Don't just clean them with the cloth alone. Always use the lens cleaner to minimize the scratches. Yeah, so here is our case. That's how it looks like, and I have specs in. So Optica gives you an extra wiping cloth and a lens cloth. Yeah, the lens comes with its own, so that's how they look like in there. Yeah, so here is our specs. What do you think, guys? I love them. I love these ones. Oh my goodness. So also they come with an extra cloth in black. This is now the original cloth for the lenses, and in there it's written Love Moschino. Yeah, love it. Let's try them on. Shika by accident, but what do you think, guys? Do you love them? Do you love the lenses, the glasses, the specs? Do you love them? I love them. I'm in love. Oh, this is nice. The baby is almost here, so I'm looking at the time.